You can't tell me nothing, cause you ain't worth nothing. Get out my way, 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 What's up, Bubble Gang? I'm doing something different, you know. I got the hair on my head. This is from BestHairBuy, and this is their box. First off, if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on that bell so you guys can know when I'm coming, when I'm live, when I'm doing stuff. Right now it's just so hectic. All these doctor's appointments and dentist appointments, and I'm just trying to get everything finished this year so I can be Bonitarebel all 2019. Just getting Aaliyah finished. So this hair is from BestHairBuy, and this is this bitch. This is the second time me reviewing their hair. I already reviewed their hair, their curly hair, and I loved it. So yeah, this is from BestHairBuy. They have some good ass fucking lace frontals. So they put the wig on so I can show you guys, because I'm gonna be customizing it. I'm about to go lay down the baby hairs, but I just first wanted to show you guys the cap. I did not bleach the knots or anything. I don't know, I'm starting to realize that bleaching my knots, I'm not that good at it, and I kind of like it when it's not bleached. And I'm starting to look at some hair tutorials, some girls not bleaching it. I don't really do styles with it. If I am going to do a hair, like if I am going to do a tutorial, these fucking cars got some loud ass motors. Goddamn. How is it? It's a bike. Goddamn. Alright, shit. Alright, so yeah, this is from BestHairBuy. This is their wave. Link will be in description. So yeah, they already have it like kind of plucked. Yeah, they already have it kind of plucked. So I will be doing some baby hairs. I'm not going to bleach the knots or nothing like that. It only has lace in the front. It does have lace in the back too. But I'm definitely gonna cut that. I don't really use that. Yeah, so yeah, you can part it, how much lace it comes in. Let's see. Damn. Oh, it has a lot of lace, y'all. It has a lot of lace. I don't know, like, yeah, it has a lot of fucking lace. A lot of lace. I'll just go cut it and see what I can do on camera. It'd be hard. And then I'm gonna tell you guys more about this wig. So I'll be right back. Lace is kind of brighter than my head, but we'll do that. We'll do that later. One thing I like about this is that it's big head friendly. So me, I have like sideburns that come out to right here, but my hair is back here, but I have side like that comes like, it makes me have a big forehead basically. But I don't have one, but it's just shaped like that. So that's my problem, is that these be coming up like way over here. So this is very good for people that has the same problems as me. This my got to be glued. I don't even have that much, you guys. I gotta buy some more tomorrow. Just apply it around the perimeter. Yeah, so apply it around the perimeter of my hair. I already did like a review earlier, so yeah. So I'm about to tie this down so this can be laid, and then I'll do the baby hairs and stuff like that in a second. Okay, so I took my favorite scarf and going to now do this. It's 9, so probably let it sit for like 20 minutes and be back to style this and mousse it and all that good stuff. So yeah, Rebel Gang, I'll be right back. Alright, it's been like 20 minutes. So let's just see how this is doing. God damn. Okay. I was gonna put like half up, half down, do it like that. But you know, I think I'll wet it so you guys can see how it looks. I think do like a middle part. But you guys, it's really pretty. It's gorgeous. Okay, so now what I'm about to do, this texture is so beautiful. I'm just about to make some baby hairs so it can be its own. And then, yeah, I'm about to make it some baby hairs and then I'll figure out what I'm going to do, if I'm going to do like a flip over method or anything, so I won't make it look so wiggish. So I'm about to do the baby hairs and I have to do it off camera, I'm sorry, but I would be so I did the baby hairs. Now I'm about to take my 3D. I'm about to get another one tomorrow because this is kind of looking kind of rough. I'm gonna do this so it's not too light, not too dark. Brush it up. Okay, so now I'm about to like change my wardrobe so I can put some lip gloss on. I know I keep like, but I'm about to change my wardrobe, put, you know, get in character, and then I'll be right back. And so now I changed into something like, I don't know. But now what I'm about to do is like style it. You could press it if you wanted to, the baby hairs. You can press it to make it lay a little bit flatter. I don't know what happened to my mousse. I had it out today, but it is 9 p.m. and I need to be editing because I have so much to do. This is what it looks like on here. The model is very pretty who's wearing it, and I think I laid it down very well. The baby hairs look a little bit more, let me see. The baby hairs look a little bit more plucked on this picture than what they actually sent me, but I guess this is YouTubers, I guess, that's doing it. But this looked like 10 times more plucked than what this is. But I think that I did like a okay job, you guys. Like, I think I did it. I think I did well. Put it to the side like this. You want to. That's really cute too. It's really cute. Put it to the side like this. That's really cute too. I like it's cute. See, there you can put it like that. Another thing you guys can do, put it up. It's kind of coming up right here, but you guys get it. You guys can do a lot with this. Pin it in the bun, and this is all the hair, so it's coming up right here though. And then the ends are beautiful too, no smell. Make sure you like it. Make sure you like this video so I can keep doing more for you guys. And it's Bonitarebel. Love y'all.